Hi guys, it's Chris from Daily Dose of DIY, and today I'm going to show you how to make this handy cup holder for applying vinyl to cups and mugs, tumblers, and everything else. Let's get started. Okay, so to get started, you're going to want to buy some PVC pipe, really cheap. I think I got, you need a 5-foot length. It was less than $2. And then you're going to need 2 of these 4-way tees and 8 elbows. These are, again, really cheap, only they're less than 50 cents each. We can build this whole thing really cheap. If you don't already have one, you'll need a PVC cutter. These can get really pricey, but you can still pick one up for like $5, so you don't need to spend a lot of money on this. What you're going to do when you get your 5-foot piece is cut 8 1-inch pieces. These are going to be our connector pieces. Once you have them cut, we're going to take our connectors and put it in our 4-way. And then add your elbows. Make sure they're all going the same way. Twist them on there. And we need to build 2 of these. So there's 1. And some pieces with the connectors already in them. So we'll have 2 pieces that look like this. And then you're going to want to cut 4 12-inch pieces. Take 2 of your 12-inch pieces and put them in like so. Those are going to be the bottom. This one don't want to stay for some reason. And the other thing you're going to want to buy is pipe insulator. You'll also find this next to PCV pipe, and it is also very cheap. The pipe I'm using is 1/2 inch, so make sure you get a 1/2 inch insulator. It just slides right over this. I think this was like a 4-foot piece I cut down. You want to cut it less than 12 inches so you have room to connect. And you just slide them over 2 of the pieces. This is going to be our top. And then connect them to our 4-way piece. So this is one that don't want to stay. Kind of what you'll look like. And then we just put the other end on. Line up and push them in. You might need to twist a little bit to get them straight. Once everything is good and attached, you're pretty well done. That's your top. If it's a little wobbly like that, keep pushing down on it and pushing them in until it gets to be not wobbly. And this nicely holds mugs, cups, tumblers. I bought this for me. I can drink more water, and my daughter always steals mine. So I'm going to put my name on it. This keeps them from rolling. So then you are applying your vinyl. You just have to lay it on. And it's much, much easier to do than having a cup that rolls away from you. All good and stuck. Just like that. That easy. Stuck to it. There we go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe down below to get updates for more fun DIYs and crafts.